In this video, I will be showing you how to use Gamma AI for a weekly status report. Let's get started. I'll begin by clicking Create New AI on my dashboard and selecting the Generate option to build a document from a prompt. I'll select the document format and then paste in my detailed instructions for an AI R&D status report, covering everything from executive summaries to key metrics. To ensure the output is perfect, I'll click Edit Prompt. I'm going to adjust the card count and set the text amount to concise. For the visuals, I'll scroll down and pick the Flax theme for a clean, modern look. Now, I click Generate. You can watch as the AI builds the report in real time, creating sections for milestone achievements, performance metrics, and the upcoming roadmap. Once the generation is finished, I can edit and start changing the content however I like. I can highlight text to use the AI agent for rewriting or condensing, and I can add more cards or insert images and charts using the sidebar tools. Finally, when the report is ready, I'll click Share and then export to save it as a PDF or a PowerPoint presentation. And there you have it. That's the complete process of using Gamma AI for a weekly status report.